If you have been trying to upload YouTube Short but don't know the correct way to do it, this video is exactly what you need. In the next 2 minutes, I will show you the fastest and easiest way to upload a YouTube Short from your phone. And trust me, by the end of this video, you'll be able to upload your own short without any confusion. So let's jump right in. Hello everyone, welcome back to Co-Editing. If this is your first time on the channel, my name is Co-Editing. Here I share practical tips on YouTube growth, video editing, AI tools, and content curation to help you create a better content and grow faster online. Now, let's get started. To make this tutorial as easy as possible to follow, I will be showing you every single step through a screen recording. That means you can simply watch my screen and follow along on your own phone without missing anything. The first thing you need to do is to open the YouTube app on your smartphone. Before you continue, make sure you are signed in to the YouTube account where you want to upload your short. Once you are at the home screen, look at the bottom of the app and type the plus button in the center. You will see several options appear. Simply type create a short. If you don't see the option, don't worry. Just type upload a video and choose a vertical video from your gallery. Next, either record a new short directly from the YouTube app or select one you have already created. For the best results, make sure your video is in the vertical 9.8 format. This helps your content display properly in the short feed and gives viewers the best experience. Once you have selected your video, YouTube will take you to the editing screen. Here you can trim your video, add text, include music, apply filters, or use any other editing tools you like. Take a moment to make your short look as engaging as possible. When you are done editing, tap next. Now, it is time to prepare your short for publishing, and you have to be careful. Write a title that is clear, interesting, and makes people want to click. A strong title can make a big difference in how many people watch your video. You can also add hashtags like hashtag short if they are relevant to your content. Next, you will choose whether your video is made for kids or not. This is very important. Select the option that is correctly matches your content. After checking everything, never forget to add your video to your favorite playlist. I think by now you should have created your own playlist. Once last time, type upload short or publish depending on the version of the YouTube app you are using. That is it. Your YouTube short is now uploading. Once the uploading is complete, your video is live and can start reaching viewers through the short feed. See, it is actually that simple. If you found this tutorial helpful, do me a quick favor. Hit the like button, subscribe to Co-Editing, and turn on the notification bell so you can never miss any of my future tutorials. Also, let me know in the comment section what YouTube or video editing topic you will like me to cover next. I read your comment and your suggestion. Help me create better content for you. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.